Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this Magic TV USB to LED mood light with remote control. Now, it has 16 color selection, adjust color intensity for millions of colors via remote control, relieves eyes from fatigue. I don't understand what that means. USB LED mood light, turn your living room into a unique atmosphere with the USB mood light. Includes a remote control on the strip. There's 60 RGB LED lights. Total of 60. So let's open this up. I have one of these lights on deck, but I don't even, there. On the inside, let's see what we see. Let's see what we get. Got this bag. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Alright, we got the LED light strip itself, the remote controller, a USB to, I don't know what that kind of is, but cable, and the instruction manual for using it. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the LED light strip from here, because this is one of the most favorite LED light strips I have ever even seen. So this might be perfect for the TV, but probably that's gonna be okay, TV. Got this thing sticked up. Let's take this out. Okay. Here's the strip lights. It has RGB LEDs. So let's go ahead and get this plugged in, and now we're gonna go ahead and test this out. Soon I should plug it in. It'll untie it. Here's a USB port where you can connect to. See what amps does it draw. I think it draws 2 amps. Well, let's just see if this draws only an amp from this power bank. Let's see. Okay, as you notice, it flashes. Now, to use the remote control, there's this little plastic. So we're going to go ahead and peel it off and pull out the tab to activate it. You can push the on or off button. The default mode is called flash. Strobing means color changing. Now I can put this on my decoration if I need to. There's this fade mode and the smooth. Let me try and see. Okay, smooth. Wow. That's strobing. That's so flash. If I press it, oh my god. Okay. Wasting a lot of energy in this battery bank. Let's try smooth again. Okay. Gotcha. See, this LED indicator just went out on this one. This power bank, well, it was not good to do that for me. Got red, green, blue, and white. White color, that's awesome. Got orange, green, purple. Got all these colors. Like I said, got 16 color selections. This is pink. Now, if you want to decrease the brightness, go in your remote controller, decrease it. If you can do that pointedly. If I push it, you will notice what happens. Okay, so that feature is disabled because one of these, oh, it's flashy. You can decrease it or increase the brightness. That feature is enabled, but I thought it's disabled, but it's not. And you turn off, hit the button again, and you can unplug the USB as well. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video of my Magic TV USB to LED mood light. And also, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.